I have this pallet wood sign that I got from Hobby Lobby. It measures 35 by 12 inches, and I got it when it was on sale for about $12. I'm going to be using some Wise Owl Snow Owl and a foam roller, and I'm just going to roll the white paint over the entire board. Now, whenever working with a flat surface, I do try to use a foam roller. It's just easier to apply the paint. I'm going to allow this to fully dry, and once it was dry, I took some Wise Owl black paint and a chip brush. You can get these chip brushes right at the craft store or at a hardware store as well. And I'm just going to do a dry brush of the black on top of the white. Now, this pallet wood sign is a rough wood, so I did not sand it. And when I dry brush the black onto it, it's going to grab the rough areas of the wood. And it's going to give it this distressed look. I got these wire baskets, 7 of them, from the Dollar Tree. You can get different sizes. And they fit perfectly down my board. Starting at the top, I'm going to place the first one all the way to the right side, and I'm going to staple it down with my hand stapler. Now, I used the pallets on the board for spacing. I left 2 pallets in between each basket. And I just stapled the baskets in place, and I got white so I didn't even have to paint them. I have 2 other pieces of wood. One measures 12 inches, the other measures 9 inches, and I painted them both with some Wise Owl black paint. Now remember, the Dollar Tree now sells individually cut pieces of wood, so as long as the wood measures the width of the board, you should be fine to use it for this project. I'm going to allow that to dry. I have these cute little letters. I'm going to spell out Fresh Eggs Daily, and I believe these letters came from Hobby Lobby in a pack. And I did fresh eggs on the top piece of wood and daily going down the side. And now I'm going to glue that to my board. You can use some Elmer's wood glue for a stronger hold, but this is going to be an indoor project, so the hot glue should work just fine. Now, if you do not collect eggs, if you do not have chickens, you can make this to say fresh vegetables. You could really hold anything of your choice in these baskets, so customize it so that you can get use out of this. Now, they have these galvanized numbers from the Dollar Tree. They also have letters. I'm going to go with the numbers, and starting with the number 1, I'm going to use some E6000 and glue it to the left of the first basket. And I'm going to go down and number each basket. So instead of it being days of the week, I'm just going to number it 1 through 7 since there are 7 days in the week. And you can fill each of these baskets with your fresh eggs, and then you will know which day you collected them and which are the freshest ones. So again, I'm just using the E6000. This is an industrial strength glue. And I'm numbering each basket 1 through 7. And then I'm just going to add some unscented salve. This is food grade to my sign just to freshen up some of that rough wood. And there we go. Now we have this very easy display decor sign. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Paint products, tissue paper, transfers, and mesh stencils can all be found on our webpage at chalkitupfancy.com. And don't forget, you can also check out other tutorials over on our webpage as well. Have a great day.